In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upscale a photo using Canva AI in just a few simple clicks. If you have a low-resolution image that looks blurry, pixelated, or not quite sharp enough for your project, this quick Canva method can help improve the quality fast without needing complicated software. It's perfect for social media graphics, presentations, product images, thumbnails, and anything else where you want your photo to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Canva and make sure your image is already uploaded into your design. Once your photo is on the canvas, click to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the border and editing options appear around the image. After that, look at the top toolbar and click Edit. This opens up Canva's image editing tools where you can find different adjustments and AI-powered features. Now, inside the editing options, look for the Upscale option shown. Depending on your Canva version and interface, it may appear as an AI enhancement or image quality tool, but the goal is the same, to increase the clarity and resolution of your photo. Once you find it, click the Upscale option to let Canva process the image. Give it a moment while Canva works on improving the photo. After the process is complete, your image should look sharper and more detailed. At this point, take a close look at the result to make sure it matches what you want. If it looks good, you can continue editing your design and download the finished version when you're ready. This is a really useful Canva trick because it saves time and gives you a simple way to improve older or lower quality images without leaving the platform. It's especially handy when you need a fan fix before posting or publishing. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials, AI editing tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.